Right. So what are the questions we completed in previous class? Yes, students.
I think we should do
The
seventh
seventh
first.
one we need to do, sir.
Seventh one, right?
Sir,
Okay, seventh one. Yeah.
sir, class teacher has sent a JE paper, sir. Can we practice this, sir, for math?
Tomorrow you have to practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because as soon as we can finish this trigonometric equation, we can go for complex numbers and quadratic equation, binomial permutation, that we can spend more time on that, because that is very, very difficult. Okay, that's the
Okay.
reason I am taking the class. Fine. Question number 7. See here, in the question number 7 is, in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse 2√2 times the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex to the hypotenuse. Then the other two angles are, okay. Right, I'm going to take, for this I'm going to take a right angle. So this is the right angle triangle. Clear? So I'm going to draw on here opposite one of the vertex to the hypotenuse. I need to draw the perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. Okay, students. So this is perpendicular. So if we consider this triangle is like A, B, C, this point is D. Okay, see here, hypotenuse AC is clearly equal to 2√2 times of this BD. Okay, according to the question, the hypotenuse is 2√2 times of the length of the perpendicular. This is the length of BD, is the length of the perpendicular drawn from one of the vertex to hypotenuse. Okay, AC is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. Again, see here, I want to take this as H, BD as H. So 2√2, shall I write H AC? Otherwise, you can keep as it is. Okay, so right now, there are almost 3 right angle triangles are there. Am I right? What are the 3 right angle triangles here?
CBA.
ABD.
One is ABC, one is triangle ABD, one of the
BD.
right angle triangle BCD. Okay, these are the 3 right angle triangles. See, I want to take an angle A here, angle A.
That triangle is similar to other triangles, sir.
Yeah, similar to other triangle. So we no need to take that similar property, or just we can take that with help of sine A, cos A, because the question what they asking, just they asking the angles, okay. Look at here, I want to use something here. What is sine A? I'm going to take the triangle ABD. What is sine A? Anyone? When I take ABD, what is the hypotenuse, Amma?
AB.
Yeah, AB is hypotenuse. Am I right?
AB.
Yeah, shall I write sine A is equal to H by AB? H by AB, which implies AB is equal to, shall I take here H by sine A? Let us take 1. Okay, from the triangle ABD, I am getting AB is equal to H by sine A. From the triangle ABC, I want to take. Now, from the triangle ABC, now can anyone tell that what is cos A? Triangle ABC. Hypotenuse
AB by
is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. But what is
Sir,
adjacent
CB,
to?
sir. Cos is BAB, sir. Okay.
AB.
Yeah, AB. So which implies again from this what is AB? AB. AC into cos A. Am I right? AC into cos A. Okay, student, can you tell me what is AC? What is AC value? Yeah,
8.
2
2
root
root
2
2 H,
times.
sir.
Exactly. Can I substitute here in place of AC? 2 root 2 H. So AB is equal to 2 root 2 times of H into cos A. Let us take this is 2. What do you observe here from equation 1 and 2?
We
LHS
should
is same.
equate.
Yeah, we should equate. So from equation 1, H by sin A is equal to here 2 root 2 times of H times of cos A. Now
H will get
H,
cancelled.
H get cancelled. Now cross multiply. So 1 is equal to 2 root 2. I want to write root 2 here. 2 will be here. Yes or no? Root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. Sin A, I want to cross multiply into cos A. Then what do you observe here? What about this?
Sin
Cos 2, sin 2, sir.
Sin 2
Yes.
A is equal to, shall I write 1 by root 2? This root I want to cross multiply. Students, HH get cancelled. I cross multiplied. So I have written 2 sin A cos A at one place. So 2 sin A cos A becomes sin 2A. That is clearly 1 by root 2. Yeah, 1 by root 2 means
45
sin
degree.
2.
45, pi
Exactly.
by 4.
Sin pi by 4 get cancelled. 2A is equal to pi by 4. Then what is A?
5 by 8.
5 by
Exactly. Pi by 8. A is pi by 8.
Sir, B is
See,
3 pi by 8, sir.
yeah. Here, A value we got pi by 8. Okay, from the triangle here, okay, student, can anyone tell here what is B? This is clearly right angle. What about B?
5 by 2 minus 5 by 8.
That's all. Pi by 2 minus pi by 8. So angle B is equal to pi by 2 minus,
67.5 sir.
yes,
Sir, you will get 67.5 degrees.
67 point.
5 degrees sir. 3 pi by 8.
Okay. Just you can keep in radians. It is enough. In maximum, try to keep in radians alone. Try to find the angle in radians alone. 90% of the question, try to find in terms of pi. Clear students? These are the which is correct option? Say one angle is pi by 8. No need to find another because
Option 3, sir.
option 3. Only one option having pi by 8. That's all. Say question number 8, the number of solutions. In above one, any doubt students here? I used two triangles. First, I found AB value with help of two right angle triangle. I equated both. Okay. Then finally, I got A value as pi by 8. That's all. So try to understand the question. First, next question is number of solution of the equation tan x plus secant x is equal to 2 times of cos x. Tell me question number 8 is what? Tan x plus
So,
Plus secant
secant
x.
x,
is equal to 2 times of
2 cos x.
that's all.
Sir, we can directly say the answer sir. Only two solutions.
Okay, interval 0 to 2 pi. How can you say directly only two
Sir, we
solutions?
can
Sir, if
multiply
first
by
quadrant
cos
alone
x.
we have, sir, if
Yes,
first
yes.
quadrant and fourth quadrant alone we will get positive values sir.
Okay.
Sir, even though if you take any other thing, you will get only two positive values in all the four quadrants sir. So only
Okay,
two
okay.
solutions there for solution.
You're saying that if you take any trigonometric function, it is positive, only two quadrant. Sine is positive first and second, cos is positive first and fourth, tan is positive first and third. That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So according to that, we can say that here
Solution, sir.
2.
Third option.
So what is the option they given, Amma? Once check it. That is
Third
right.
option.
Third option alone. Okay, anyhow, for what value of x, both will be equal then, generally.
Sir, we can multiply by cos x, sir, then secant x will be on both sides, sir.
Okay, when I multiply with this is
Sin
sin
x
x
plus
by
1 equal to 2 cos square x.
1 by cos x. Okay, generally, this is general method. As you said, when we multiply with cos on both sides and cos, take LCM cross multiply. So sin x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. Am I right?
Sir, cos
So
square
here,
x can be written as 1 minus sin square x, sir. Then we get a
okay, okay.
quadratic equation with respect to sin x.
Wonderful.
Sir,
Wonderful.
but it will
So
take more amount of time now, sir. You can use shortcut.
no problem, no problem. This is the general procedure, but you can go through that logically. See, sometimes yeah, according to here they given 0 to 2 pi. Sometimes they may give 0 to 4 pi. 0 to 4 pi. Okay, we can say that 4 solutions. No problem. It will be repeat. So this is general. If you're not getting any idea, you can go through this procedure. So 2 sine square x plus sine x minus 1
Minus
is
1.
equal. That's all. This is a quadratic equation. So you can just sine is there.
Sin
Which
x
of
is
the
equal to minus 1 or 1 by 2, sir.
okay sine x is equal to
Minus 1
okay
and 1 by 2.
1 by 2
Sir, it
now.
lies between 0 to 360 only, sir.
Okay, but the minus 1 means it will be 3
Sir,
solution,
2 pi, sir.
Now, see here, x is equal to 270. This is 1 by 2, nothing but x is equal to 1 is 30 degrees, sine 30 is 1 by 2, as well as what is it is 1 by 2,
150, sir.
150 degree also we can take,
150.
sir.
But here 3 solution, no? 3
Negative value
solution.
we cannot take, sir.
Why we cannot take negative value? 270 degrees we got. See, as you said, 2 solution, that is absolutely right. But here we are getting 3 solution. Do you find? Did you get any idea? All the solutions are correct. See, minus 1, sin x is minus 1. It is belongs to minus 1 to 1. Yes, students. Anyone? Anyone? Some logic is there. What do you observe? Yes. Yes. No one can getting idea. What about the given equation? Tan x. What is tan 270?
Infinity.
That's all. Tan 270, when you substitute, when you take, okay, when you take 30 or 150, both will be equal. But when you take x is equal to 270, tan 270 infinity and secant 270 infinity, but cos 270 is finite. But here when we take 270, cos x is equal to, we are getting infinity. Is cos is infinity? Is it possible? Is it possible? Cos 270 you are getting that's 0. 0 is equal to infinity. Never. So it is not possible. So 270 is not a solution. Like that, very logically you have to think. Generally the students will write, okay, 3 solutions are correct. They thought that their answer is correct. But it is absolutely wrong. Okay. Right. Now question number 9, the number of integral values of k for which the equation 7 cos x plus 5 sin x 2k plus 1 as a solution. As a solution. Twin fastly. What shall we do
Substitute
here?
the value for x and sin, sir.
Okay, we'll do one thing. Mm, 7 cos x. Okay, fine. I'm going to that with help of maximum minimum. Already we studied extreme values. Like when the equation is in the form of, yeah, f of x is equal to, it is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c. What is the range, Amma? Range for this? C minus root over?
C minus a square plus b square,
C plus root over?
comma, c plus
C
a
plus
square.
A square.
Yeah,
First one
remember.
is the least value and second one is the extreme value.
Yeah. So here, look at here. But the question is 7 cos x plus 5 sin x. Here they given the function is 7 cos x plus 5 sin x. So what about the student here? C value? C value is 0.
Minus 2k plus 1.
So shall I take here this value, the range of this 0 minus root over, shall I take like this 7 square plus 5 square lesser than or equal to 7 cos x plus 5 sin x lesser than or equal to value. I'm taking the range 0 plus root over 7 square plus 5 square. Yes. So what about this in the question, what they given 7 cos x plus 5 sin x value? Yes.
2k plus 1.
Right. Shall I replace it? Yes, we can replace. So 2k plus 1 is lesser than or equal to, what about this root 7 square plus 5 square? 7 square plus 5 square value is 74. Yes, exactly. Minus 74. So what are the options they given? As the solution says, for the values of k for which the solution is, students, let us, I am going to take your k value. K value is now subtract minus 1 root minus 74 lesser than or equal to 2k lesser
Sir,
than or
we
equal
can
to
also say that 2k plus 1 less than equal to a root over 74. We can find the value and we can substitute now, sir.
yeah, substitute that. So what is root 74 approximately?
That will come 8.06.
So but only the value here k is clearly, when I dividing with 2 2. Yes, what you said, Amma? What is the root 74 approximately?
8.06.
8.06 by 2 lesser than or equal to k lesser than or equal to 8.06 minus 1 by 2 approximately minus 9.06 by 2 value is
4.62.
yes 4.62 something minus lesser than or equal to k lesser than or here 7.06 by 2. Yes, 3 point something. Okay, 3 point something will get. Am I right?
3.5.
See, 3558.
Sir.
Yeah, okay, student. What they asking here? Number of
Integral.
integral
Integral, sir.
value.
So integers, sir.
Integers. So we need to find just integers. K value must be integer, not real. Real number nothing, but it is infinite values. K having infinite. But they asking integral value. Now anyone can say that how many integral values are there
Sir, minus
between
4,
Sir, 8, sir. 3, 2, 1, 0,
minus
minus 2,
4.
minus 2, minus 3.
minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
Sir,
That's
root
all.
74
So
value is
total
8.6, sir.
8.6.
Not
Okay, anyhow.
8.06.
Okay, student. 8.6 also. Almost I think we are getting 4 point something. Okay,
Yes.
okay, sure. Okay, 4 point something will get. Here 3 point
4.8,
something.
sir.
Okay, 4.8 something. Okay, we don't want about that value. It may be 6.2 or 6.3. We can consider only integral values. So how, what is the answer then? How many integrals? Yes.
8.
That's all. So what I've done here, I found the maximum and the minimum. So because 7 cos x 5 sin x lies between like minus 9 point something to 3 point something. So that value like okay that value lies between root 74 to minus root 74. But k value alone lies between, but in between we need only just integers. So 8 integers. They having 8 integers. That's all. Coming to the next question. So yeah, so in this
Solve the
question,
determinant, sir.
solve the determinant. See, it is equal to. So for how many values of x from minus 45 to plus 45, the determinant equal to 0. Okay, I'm going to take the. See, actually, the determinant concept and all you don't know. Okay.
Sir, we know, sir, in 9th Master G, Maulali sir taught, sir.
Okay, then it is better. So, can you explain this? Okay.
So no, sir, he thought only matrices, sir, not determinant.
Okay. See, actually, what I thought, these questions and all, I plan to explain. See, many questions are there. This kind of questions in matrices and determinant in class 12. Okay. Like this kind of question, many questions are there. Shall we discuss on class 12 these questions? Can understood very clearly. Now means without knowing the properties, that and all again, it will be wasting of time. Clear? Okay, in case mostly they won't give in OBT exam this kind of questions. Here, present plus 1 OPT. But in case they give just take plus minus plus, just determinant, you have to expand the determinant and equating to 0. Just you have to check for what value of x it will be equal to 0. See student, here very simple Amma. I'm going to tell you only one. Here, how can we verify option verification? Simple, very, very simple. See, I told you that in determinant, remember, any two rows or any two columns are having same elements, the determinant is 0. The determinant is 0. See here, minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. If you think that, what is sine 0? When I take 0, 0 is clearly belongs to this interval. When I take 0, what is sine 0?
0, sir.
0. Okay, here we are getting 0. What is cos 0?
1, sir.
1.
1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. See, diagonal is 0, remaining all elements are non-zero, so that it is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. But next, I'm going to take the next condition. When I take negative value, for example, negative value minus pi by 4. Option verification, I'm telling you how to check that. When I take minus pi by 4, what is sign, positive or negative? That value is secondary thing. Negative, it may be pi by 4 of minus 45, minus 40, minus 40, 36, minus, for anyhow, for a negative value, sign is negative, cos is positive,
Positive, sir.
positive, positive. So all are not negative. And see here, at 45 alone, cos and sine having the same value. Other than 45, cos will be different, sine will be different. Anyhow, if it is negative value, or it may be positive value, cos and sine are not having the same value. It should determine should not equal to 0. Okay, when you see the option, in that option either no, for no x values, it is equal to 0. Only 2x value is 0, 1, here 3. When you substitute x is equal to pi by 4, I said that very clearly, determinant becomes 0 when all the elements are becomes equal. Shall I take, when I take pi by 4, 45 plus 45, not minus, plus 45, what is sine 45 amount?
1 by root 2.
Then cos 45.
Same, sir. 1 by root
1 by root.
Then what about determinant? Content? All,
Everything will be 1 by
0,
2
sir.
square, so equal to 0.
yeah, all having, so all the rows, all the columns having same element, determine 0. Only one. Other than that, if you take any other value other than 45, cos and sin are not same. And also here clearly, all are positive. We don't get equal. Only one solution. Okay, like that we can check it. Next one, question number 11. If the solutions for theta of cos p theta plus cos q theta is equal to 0, p greater than q greater than 0, are in AP, are in AP. Okay. So 0 PQ are in AP. 0 PQ. Okay. Sorry. 0 QP, not PQ, QP. P is highest value. We can write ascending order. Then the numerically smallest common difference of EP. Numerically smallest difference of EP. Okay, students, what shall we do here? They given one equation, cos p theta plus cos q theta in terms of p plus q, p plus q, p plus q, p plus q. See here, when are you going to get p plus q? Anyone? Here cos p theta, q theta is there.
The cos of a minus b.
X, no. Cos of not a minus b. See here, what is the given condition, students? Question number, okay, 11. Am I right? A cos p theta is cos q theta is equal to what they given? 0. Am I right? See, in the option, when you see that every option contains p plus q, yes or no? Okay. So pi by p plus q, 2 pi by p plus q, pi by 2 into p plus q. See, p plus q nothing but it is in the form of, what do you observe? It is in the form of cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d?
2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2.
Exactly, cos c plus cos d is given by 2 cos c plus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. Apply this, then here 2 cos p plus q. Nothing but p theta plus q theta by 2 means theta is common actually. Okay, p theta q theta by 2 cos p theta minus q theta by 2 is equal to 0. What shall I do next?
So either this should be equal to 0 or that should be equal to 0, sir.
Yes, either p plus q all divided by 2 into theta is equal to, shall I take theta common? Yes, or cos of p minus q by 2 into theta is equal to 0. 0. Okay, students, if you see the in every option p plus q is there. I want to take just first condition. What is the general solution? Cos
0 is cos 0, sir.
theta is equal to 0 into pi by 2. Yes, 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Shall I write? Substitute n is equal to 0, pi by 2, n is equal to 1, 3 pi by 2, 270, cos is 0. This is the general solution when cos value is 0. So p plus q all divided by 2 into theta value, I'm not, yeah, this is equating to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right? Now 2 to get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. Then what is theta here? Theta value? 2n plus
2n
1
plus 1 pi by p plus q.
p plus q into pi. From this, can anyone guess that what is the correct answer? The difference is they said that, okay, I'm going to substitute n values. Where what is n? N is belongs to z. That we know that z nothing but n is equal to 0 plus or minus
Second
1
option, sir. 2
minus
pi
1.
by p plus 2.
Let us see that what is the right answer. So as you said, second option, let us check that. So theta is equal when n is equal to 0 here, shall I write pi by p plus q. N is equal to 1, 3 pi by p plus q. Okay, 5 pi by p plus q, so on. These are in clearly they given AP. AP means just take the difference. Any two you can take, either first and second or second and third. Okay, then difference D is equal to, students, difference
3
D
pi by
is
p plus q minus pi by p plus q.
nothing but answer.
2 pi by p plus q, sir.
Got it? That's absolutely right. The second option. Second option is right. So what I've done, I applied cos C plus cos D formula. I'm equating to 0. So I have taken general solution for cos theta is equal to 0. I'm equating, just I substituted n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Just I have taken difference, A2 minus A1, common difference. So we got the second option. Then question number 12. Any doubts, students? Any doubts? Am I going fast? If I'm going fast, please try to ask me. I'm ready to explain until you understand it, maybe twice or thrice. Okay, I'm ready. Any doubts in question number 11? Only 2 steps. First step is cos A plus cos D. Next step, general solution. Shall I go for question number 12? The solution set of tan 4k plus 2 into x minus tan 4k plus 1 into x, 4k plus, so last one is multiplication here. S equal to 1, k belongs to z, is. What is the solution set? Nothing but here they are asking the general solution. Yes, students, what shall we do here? Actually, this is a direct formula because 4k plus 2, 4k plus 2. 4k plus 1, 4k plus 1. Yeah, difference, like I'm show you, I'm going to change that directly standard form. Let's see here. So can you tell me what is the given question here?
Sir, tan 4x plus 2x, 4x plus 2 bracket x.
4x.
4k, sir. K, sir.
4.
4k plus 2 bracket.
Okay.
Minus tan 4k plus 1 into x.
Okay.
Minus tan 4k plus 2.
Same value. 4k plus 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X into
X into tan 4k plus 1. Equal to 1.
is equal to 1. So whenever you're having this, actually there is a property. This is A, this is B. Okay, and A and B. Here the between these two values, this is A, this is B, between minus is there. Whenever minus, directly we can do here. Tan of A minus B is equal to, right side is 1 is there. 1 we can write tan 45 or 1, like that's it. Tan of A minus B formula. Tan of A minus B, simple. Okay. See here, since why tan of A minus B is equal to 1. What is tan A minus B formula, students?
tan A
Yeah.
minus tan B by 1 minus tan 1 plus tan B. Tan B.
1 plus
Tan A, tan B.
Tan A tan.
tan A tan B. Am I right? 1 plus tan A tan B. This is tan A minus B. Okay. When I take here A minus B is equal to 45. A minus B value is 45 because tan A minus B is equal to, I have written 1 nothing but tan 45. So when I take 45 here, pi by 4. So now cross multiply here. So tan pi by 4 1 into 1 plus tan A tan B is equal to tan A minus tan B. This tan A tan B can take right side. So finally if I take tan A minus tan B minus tan A tan B is equal to left side is 1. Once again tan A minus B I am taking tan A minus B value. In the question it is clearly 1. So tan A minus B is 1. Okay, so see if I comparing the given question with this, shall I comparing? You can easily compare, yes. Tan A minus tan B minus tan A tan B. Okay, like that also you can do. Otherwise, if you get confused, I am going to do like this. Tan of 4k plus 2 into x minus tan of 4k plus 1 into x is equal to, I want to take this term at right side. 1 minus tan of 4k plus 2 into x, tan of 4k plus 1 into x. Yeah, both side you can plus, sorry, this is plus. Both side dividing with the same value. All of you dividing with the same value. Okay, this 1 plus, when I take here 1 plus 1 plus tan 4k plus 2 into x, tan 4k plus 1 into x. Otherwise, cross multiply this. When I cross multiply, 1 plus tan, same value. These two get cancelled. Left side, it is in the form of, what do you observe? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Am I right? Shall I write tan of A minus B? A value is 4k plus 2 minus 4k plus 1 into x is equal to, right side is 1. Yeah, 4k get cancelled, plus 4k minus 4k. Tan of 2 minus 1. So tan of x is equal to 1. 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. Tan 10 get cancelled, x value finally we got pi by 4. X value is pi by 4. So according to the option, which one is correct, students? Yes. According to the option.
Sir, general solution if we apply, third option coming, sir.
Third option. So what is your answer? Whether third option or second option or fourth option?
First option.
Why first option?
So no, sir. Answer is first option.
Yeah, that is okay. They given first option. Why? That is my question.
Because one question can not have multiple answers, sir. So
One question.
cannot have multiple answers, sir.
Multiple answer.
So nothing will be the answer, sir. So none.
Okay. When I take x is equal to right, x is equal to pi by 4. Substitute here. Substitute here. When I take substitute here in place of x, pi by 4, what is tan 4k plus 2 into pi by 4? When I take 2 common.
Sir, k pi.
Tan 2k plus 1 into pi by 2. Am I right? 2k plus 1 pi by 2. Pi by 4, you 2 take common, get cancelled, we get this is equal to this. Am I right? Am I right, students? Now, what about when I take k belongs to z? When I take k is equal to 0, tan 90, what is tan 90? Is that
Infinite.
finite? Infinite, but RHS they given 1. Yeah, take k is equal to 1, 270 is what tan 270? Same infinity, but RHS they given 1. Is it possible for pi by 4 or any value? We got solution pi by 4, okay. If it is not a infinity, the answer will be third option because n pi plus pi by 4 is the solution of tan. Fourth also correct when if it is a finite, but it is not finite at 90. So that the answer is first option. Okay, students, already it's 12.